Yo, what's up guys, Teacher Paul over here, and today we have another drink mukbang for you guys. You know, it's Friday. Friday is drink day. So today we have these two drinks that are gonna go head to head. They are both from Rubicon. Okay, so this is Rubicon Sparkling Passion Fruit it's made with real juice. So that's what it says on the label. Passion made with real juice. Okay, it is extra cold, so I am looking forward to this one. And I have Rubicon Mango. Also made with real juice. And you can see, look how cold it is. Can you see that? That is condensation. It is cold. And it's quite good because it is really hot in here. I'm sweating a lot. And it's not supposed to be this hot in London, but it is. And of course, I have my extra cold water. It's extra cold. You can see that. And that's going to be used to clean my palate. But before we start, I am really thirsty, so let's have some of this water. Oh, that's disappointing. No bubbles. Okay. Still refreshing. Still good. Gonna leave that for later. Okay, so you know the drill. Let's take a look at the calories. 66 calories for a juice. Not too good. 15 grams of sugar. Ooh, that is a lot of sugar. Against, I mean, it's the same brand, so they're not, competing, but this is 65 calories. So you get 1 calorie less on this one. So, but it's still 15 grams of sugar. The only difference is that this has less salt. This has 0.02 grams of salt, and this has 0.03 grams of salt. Okay, the ingredients are carbonated water, sugar, passion fruit juice from concentrate, acid, stabilizers, color, sweetener, and this one has carbonated water, mango puree, 8%. This has passion fruit from concentrate, 4%. So this has mango puree at 8%. So I'm thinking this is going to be better right off the bat. Sugar, acid, stabilizers, color, sweetener. Okay guys, so let's have a taste. And I think this is going to be better, so I'm going to start with this one. Leave the best for last. Okay. Let's start with the taste test. The best sound in the world. Okay. The brand is on point, in the right place. The color looks good. Look at that. A lot of foam. Not gonna lie. It does look like something that I would leave in a medical exam. If you know what I mean. Okay. It smells orangey. It doesn't smell like passion fruit. Okay, let's have a taste. It right off the bat, it smells like those vitamin C capsules. Okay. Mm. It has a metallic taste. It has an aftertaste. It tastes like, you know those Fanta oranges, but a little bit watery and very metallic. I don't like the aftertaste. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. No, sir. I don't know. I don't really like passion fruit anyway, but I'm not feeling it. Let's rinse this down. Clean my palate and go straight to the mango. I don't know, there's something that is disappointing. I don't know. It's just a bad aftertaste. Have you guys ever had this? If you have, comment down below. What did you think of this? Rubicon's passion fruit. I mean, it's not bad, but aftertaste. Okay, let's go with this one. See, I can't open... Okay, so there we go. A bit harder. Okay. Got the grip. There you go. Okay. Same color. See that? Not much foam. It does look more vibrant. Okay. It's not bad. It looks more vibrant. The color is stronger. It smells like mango. Okay. It does smell like mango. It looks a bit thicker. I don't know. Maybe it's because of the puree? Okay, it tastes like mango. Thank God. It delivers on the taste. Not a lot of aftertaste. It is quite good. It tastes like sparkling mango juice. Doesn't taste like mango juice, but it's supposed to. I mean, it tastes exactly what it says on the can. Sparkling mango juice. So if you're looking for sparkling mango juice or sparkling water with mango flavor, then that's your guy. It's not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna declare this the winner. So yeah, if you like mango, I think you're gonna enjoy this. So as we have been doing for the past videos, I'm gonna mix these two. And that's gonna be my thumbnail probably, because I'm not that creative. Or it's actually late here in the UK, so I have to go to sleep soon. I don't want to, think of some extraordinary thumbnail, so let's do what I normally do. Pour the two, see how it tastes, and that's the thumbnail. Although Rubicon, you gotta fix your logo issue here. I always say that. If I'm pouring something without your logo, that's on you. Okay? Okay guys, let's do this. You know who the winner is? I'm a bit low on energy because it is midnight here. So, should I name this midnight vlog or midnight mukbang or something? I mean, I'm loving the color here. Let's do the taste, the smell test, and then the taste test. Okay, so it's predominantly mango. It smells like mango. And as I normally do, I will chug this and let's see how it tastes. If I don't like the taste, I'll let you know. If I love it, I'll also let you know. So, there you go. 3, 2, 1. I don't know if I'm getting better or worse at checking. Okay, so I don't know if you can see on my glass. See that on the top over here? That is the mango puree. So it does taste like mango. If you mix both, I think you're only going to get the mango taste. It does get rid of the aftertaste, so I'm happy with mixing both. It feels thicker, so yeah. I mean, I would definitely mix the two, and it's better than each individual one. So, you know, the two together is better than each on its own. So buy them, mix them, you'll be happy. So today's safe word is massion. Okay, mango with passion, M-A-S-S-I-O-N, massion. Okay, massion is a safe word. So if you put that in the comments, I will know you've watched it this far. I really appreciate all you guys who are watching, commenting, liking, sharing. Thank you. Thank you very much. You guys who have been watching my live streams. I hope this channel grows and I can continue showing my love here and doing my best. I would appreciate it if you guys let me know if you want something different for the channel. I'm doing this drink videos, I'm doing mukbangs and food reviews, but if you want something different, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll have another video here for you guys tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do the grilled banana peanut butter and jelly sandwich, which was suggested by one of my viewers, Grace, and I've been promising her that I would do this video, so I probably will for tomorrow, so don't miss it, and I hope you enjoy it. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Keep it real. Bye bye.